to any disrespect. It means that much to me. So anyway, I kind of feel like you guys will listen to it, so we're going to, they asked me to do it tonight, so I'm going to do it. This is where I'd settle down. I thought I'd die an old man back in my hometown. They gave me this plot of land, me and some other men, for a job well done. There's a big white house, sits on a hill just up the road. The man inside, he cried home. They folded up a flag and told my mom and dad, we're proud of your son. And I'm proud to be on this peaceful piece of property. I'm on sacred ground and I'm in the best of company. And I'm thankful for those thankful for the things I've done. Rest in peace, I'm one of the chosen ones. I made it to Arlington. I remember that it brought me here when I was 8. I searched all day to find out where my granddad lay. When we finally found that cross, he said, son, this is what it costs to keep us free. And here I am, 1,000 stones away from him. He recognized me on the first day I came in, and it gave me a chill when he clicked his heels and saluted. Rest in peace, one of the chosen ones. I made it to Arlington. And every time I hear 21 guns, I know they brought another hero home. Rest in peace, 'cause we are the chosen ones. We made it to Arlington. Yeah, dust to dust. Don't cry for us, 'cause we made it to Arlington.
If you want me to get all 100, don't say that.